Hey guys, so welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you the way of how to create real estate website on Wix. So this platform provides us the opportunity to make it easier and faster. If you are new to this platform, you'll need to create an account. So go to wix.com and here click on get started or log in the right top. If you already have an account, you'll come to this page. By the way, create an account, you can do these with your Gmail. You can make a separate account, so nothing hard, and you'll come to this page also. And in order to create a new site, you just simply need to click on create new site in the right top corner. And we have a couple of options here. So firstly, we can create it with AI from scratch, or we can stop without chat. I personally prefer using Wix without their AI. In this case, we can customize a lot of things as we need, and also we can follow their fast and easy to understand checklist. So let's click on setup without chat here. After that, we need to select what type of website do you want to create. According to this answer, Wix will offer us different apps we can use, different features we can use. So here we need to input real estate. And as you can see, we have a lot of different sub niches like real estate landing page, development company, agency, agent, developer, and so on. In my case, I'm going to select real estate landing page because I want to create like one-page website about some properties. So let's click on this, but you can also select the necessary one as for you, like real estate agent, if you want to create a portfolio or your personal website. So yeah, it's definitely depends on your purposes, on your goals, on your vision. So let's click on continue. After that, we'll be redirected to our dashboard, backend of our website. And here we can add the name. What's the name of your business? Let it be like Real Est website. Continue. We can set our default working hours like days from to and time zone. Let it be like this. Continue. And also we can start adding services. We have property viewing, property management, property financing, and so on. A lot of different services we can offer, and also we can create a new one. But to make it easier and faster, let's say that I would like to use this here and this here. We can customize them by clicking on edit, and we can see some details like name, service type, payment type, and location. Let's click on save. So click on continue. And the next step is we can add a staff member. So by adding their email, we can give them option to manage these websites. Sometimes it could be really helpful if you have a team and you want to share these website with them. In my case, I'm going to skip this part because I don't need it. And what else do you want to do with your business? Offer virtual sessions, sync your personal Google Apple Calendar, accept online payments, send automated emails, or manage your services and bookings on the go. You can select the necessary type. In my case, I'm going to skip this feature because I personally don't need it. So then click on continue to dashboard. And the next step here, we'll find these checklist where we can find simple steps we can follow. So firstly, of course, we can connect a custom domain if you want your visitors to see it in a custom way, like realestatewebsite.com, for example. We can check, is it possible to use it? Let's click on let's go. And after that, we can click on make it yours. So we have the options of how can we connect it. So we can buy domain only, or we can get the domain for free with a premium plan. By the way, if you want to get some additional features, it will be necessary as for you to upgrade. And I strongly recommend it to use premium plan. In this case, you'll get domain and also some features. I think it's really, really good. So you can connect it by your own, nothing hard, just simply click and follow all the steps. You'll just simply need to add your payment details, and then it will be automatically connected as for you. The next step is to add your first service. So we can click on add service. And here you can see some options to add. As you can see, we already have property management and property viewing. By clicking on add a new service, you can add it, and yeah, nothing really hard. You can also create it with AI. So I don't think that you'll have some problems. You can do it by your own. The next step is design your website and set up your payment methods. If you want to accept payments, you can click on it, and according to your business location, you'll get some options to accept payments. For example, for Germany, we have a credit or debit card acceptance, and also PayPal or manual payments. So yeah, it's really easy. Click on connect and then just follow all the steps you need, and after that your payment method will be connected. But if you want to do that, you'll need to buy the paid plan. And the last step, design your website. We can click on this button right up here, and we have two options here. How would you like to design your website? We can generate a design with AI if you can write prompts, if you know exactly what do you want, or we can click on customize a template and pick a template here. So we'll come to a template area where you can find a lot of templates related with real estate, and as you can see, it looks like these. We can select the necessary one as for us. For example, I'm going to use this one here. Let's click on view to see how will it look like. And as for us, it looks like these. We have some contact forms, some information here, map, some photos. I think it's really good. We can change it in the future. So the main thing you need to know is that you can change everything inside of the template. Change structure, add the pages, manage elements. So yeah, it's really good. All the templates here are totally responsive, so you can use them from different devices. Let's click on edit this side. So we'll come to our editor where we can start interacting with all the design we have. And yeah, if you want to see more in-depth tutorial about editor on Wix, I strongly recommend you to see my other tutorials about different options, about different features on Wix. So I think it's really helpful to see and to know. So in the left side menu, we have these options. And firstly, I want to change some general things like color palette and also font. So click on it, click on change theme, and we can try to switch between different themes to see which one is the most suitable. I'd like to use this one here, cozy and comfortable. Let it be like this. Next thing is we can manage our structure. We can click on pages on menu, go to site menu, and here we can find two pages like home and book online. We can add a new page. For example, let's say that we'd like to add our team page. We can click on add a page, and it will be automatically added to our website. So I think it's really good. In this case, you can interact with pages. We can click on more and see some other features. We can delete, duplicate, rename, hide, and so on. So after that, we can interact with the sections. Every single page was created from different sections. We have this section here, this section here. We can drop new section or delete an existing one. So let's say that I'd like to add this welcome page a little bit higher, right up here. So we have a couple of options. We can move them, we can delete, we can duplicate. Let's move it to the top. And every single section contains from different elements. So we have this text here, this container box, this button, and we can interact by clicking. We can see all the actions we can do. We can manage settings, we can manage layout, change design, manage animations, and so on. I think it's really good, really fast, and really easy to understand how Wix editor works. So you can do it by yourself. So you need to interact with every single element, change pages, change photos. It may take you like a little time, but I think that's easy, and just simply spend a little time to understand how does it work. After that, we can click on publish in the right top, and our website will be published successfully. So we can even view it. As you can see, it looks like this. It may take a little time. Let's wait. And we have about page, as you can see, home and book online. And yeah, it looks really good. So this is a way of how to build real estate website. Hope this video helped you out. Leave a like, subscribe, and goodbye, guys.